Hopefully you will have watched one of my earlier videos where I've started to put together my dream stereo system. And by dream stereo system, I mean cheap and reliable and loud and good sounding, but most of all, cheap. Anyway, I got the bits. I got all the parts for it. I got a new belt for the turntable and a stylus for my Hitachi system I have downstairs, and a belt for it. So let's put them on and let's see what it sounds like. First of all, if you remember, this is the stereo I found at the side of the road with the instructions, the instruction manual and everything that goes with it, but the stylus itself was just worn out to nothing, and the belt was missing. So well packaged, got this off Amazon. Put the prices up here. There's the stylus. So that's the stylus that I've just bought, and that's the original yellowed stylus with no needle left. So they do look the same. So let's put that on and let's replace the belt. Hopefully the belt will be the same size. I got a I think it was 60 centimeters or I can't remember the size. I think it was 600 millimeters it had to be to fit this. Well, to fit the one upstairs, and this is very, very similar. So we'll fit this one, and then we'll go upstairs and we'll fit that one, and we'll get both of these rocking by the end of the day. So I'm thinking this should be a quick job. First of all, we'll put the belt on, because without the belt, there's no point unboxing that little stylus now, is there? So this just pops off. It should be the same with the one upstairs. The belt slips around. Oh. It should be a tight fit. Well, not a tight fit, but that's a nice snug fit on there. And then what we do is we will just pop it on. That feels perfect. Pop it onto the motor, and that does feel absolutely spot on. Now the stylus. So the old stylus is off. I think the new one, I think it just clips in. I love this little box it comes in, very nice. So let's take the stylus out, and what do we do? Does it just pop straight in? I think it does. I think that's it. So now we'll try a record. Popular band in Canada is Supertramp, so we'll go with some Supertramp. Let's go along and we have an arm lifter, a cue, so let's go into the record. Whoa! Oh, a bit loud. Well, it works, and sounds like it's the right speed. Let's try the cut. We have a cut here. Oh, yeah, that works. Not bad for something so old. I mean, this thing was at the side of the road. Let's see if we've got a song that you guys might all know. Breakfast in America is number 4. So let's cue to number 1, 2, 3, 4. Almost there. Let's drop it on there. Yeah, there you go. That sounds about right. Yeah, that sounds good. but we can't have too much of that because of copyright. But yeah, that sounds the right speed. I don't think we can adjust the speed on this one other than 33 or 45 like we can on the other one. It says it's weighted already to 1.25. It's definitely not as good a sound as the system I have upstairs. Definitely not. Very tinny. These speakers aren't very good. But yeah, it will eventually get upgraded, this one. So let's go upstairs. Hold on. Cut. Yeah, let's go upstairs and let's put the dream system together. So again, we're using the exact same belt, 600mm, and this is going to go on the Technics turntable. And it's the same process really. So you take the rubber mat off, take the platter off, I think they call it. You snugly fit the belt. Hopefully this one snugly fits this one too, the same as the one downstairs. Yep, perfect fit. Not bad for the money though, for the belt. I mean, it's like, you know, they were so cheap and so easy to replace. And that just slots over. We put the platter back on. Everything turns nicely. Put the mat down, and that's basically it. Now on this one, I'm not fully plugged in with everything, so I'm just going to get everything dialed in and put in the back. Well, that went on really easy. Now, with all the wires attached, let's see if everything works. We got to select phono, work out what the volume is. I've not actually, this is the first time firing this thing up, all wired up together. So just bear with me while we find a single. Now this is a 1972 football song single from a football team in England called Leeds United. We are actually quite big fans of Leeds United. If you're English, don't let that put you off watching our channel, because we also support Blackpool as well, and they're pretty lowly down in the leagues. And yeah, we do follow Wrexham as well. But yeah, it's sounding good. It's sounding right. I've got to keep talking over this because we'll get copyright striked because of the copyrightness of the Leeds United song. But yep, it's got a 60 hertz, 50 hertz adjustment. You can adjust from left to right. But yeah, the sound is good. Okay, enough of that. And I think them dots are supposed to stay stationary on the side. Let's have a go with the album I bought my missus. There is a video on it. The Bay City Rollers. This was her favourite group as a child. So I bought her the album, but I never thought we would actually end up with a turntable to play the album on. And how does it sound? That's good. That I've got to say, in the room, that sounds absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. That is awesome. Really impressed with that. Well, there you go. That's both of my record players now working, finally, after all this time. It's taken me forever to get to get them working, but I've finally completed a project. My Hitachi is working perfectly, well, as perfectly as it can get, and my turntable upstairs, my Technics, wow, I love that one. That is the top one for me. I really like that. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you like what's going on around here. And hopefully I'll see you on the next one, guys. Cheers.